Welcome back from the breakouts. We're near the end of today's live event. I want to thank all of our speakers and special guests, and a special shout out to Jen, Anna, and Winona for all their help in planning and orchestrating this event. And a big shout out to Winona, my partner in crime in all of this, and really kept me sane through the planning and orchestration. So thank you very much, Winona. To Steph Gavin for her behind the scenes work, and Greer Mendel from our team with all the communications. 1,800 nurses registered for this event, and we're thrilled to be able to follow up with every one of you about what you heard today and all of the great work that's happening across AARP, our community partners, Nurses on Boards Coalition, and the American Red Cross. Thank you to all the nurses joining us today as participants. I hope you found at least one effort that you'll follow up on from today. And as a reminder, everything is recorded. We'll share it with all of you. I'm going to give it over to Michelle for final thoughts and words of inspiration. I give you back to Michelle, AARP's Vice President of Office of Volunteer Engagement. Michelle?
Thank you, Will. And please allow me to add a resounding thank you. Thanks so much to all of our amazing speakers, Nancy Lamont, Dr. Reinhardt, Dr. Georges, all of our amazing breakout session facilitators, Will Stoner and his awesome planning team, and last but certainly not least, all of you. We hope you thoroughly enjoyed all of today's events, from the speakers to the breakout sessions, and that you enjoyed them so much that we'll see you amongst our amazing volunteer corps real soon. I'd also like to thank you, as nurses in the health field and working with so many others, for your unwavering dedication and service to others. And as I always say, I kindly ask that as you work about and taking care in the service of others, that you be sure to add yourself on that list. So please be sure to take care of you as you take care of others. In closing, I just ask that you please be well and stay safe. And thank you again. And we look forward to seeing you amongst the amazing AARP Volunteer Corps. Take good care.